Tooth carving demonstration for the beginners. Instruments required: wax block, lacrons carver, ruler, and wax knife. Step 1. Mark all the midlines of all the surfaces of the wax block. Mark the crown and root length. Mark the cervical and the incisal width and length. Mark the cervical line, mesial and distal. Draw the outline of the crown. Draw the outline of the crown both at labial and lingual surface. Next step, start by rounding off the line angles of the coronal part. Draw the outline of mesial and distal surface. Last step, complete the crown carving by carving the fossa.